All right, you guys, I am back. We have everything all painted up and we're going back together. As you can see from the last time y'all seen this, we've got the frame painted. I just went back with a basic gray. I painted the oil cooler or the oil tank. I painted the head. We're still going over a couple things, tightening up bolts, putting everything back together, of course. I took the shocks off and painted the frame up front. Got rid of all that rust. It's starting to come back together. We've got the replacement handlebars on. Got the throttle cable, clutch linkage, all that stuff put back, carburetor put back. The only thing we got left to do is I need to put the wiring harness back on. I got to torque the head. The valve cover is just sitting on right now. I've got to take the valve cover off and torque all the head bolts, put those 2 bolts in the head and get those torqued. Put the rear carrier back and we're done, man. And we should be ready to fire this thing up. Put the exhaust back on it. But I just wanted to give y'all an update. This little $500 400EX is coming back together. It's been a lot of work. A lot of this stuff it really didn't need, but like I said, man, anything that I want to sell, I'm going to make sure it's done right. And it's going to look a little bit better once it's all put together and cleaned up. I'm not going to do nothing to the plastics. I've already had a bunch of offers on this bike. I'm going to go ahead and finish up with making it look decent with framing and motor-wise, finish putting the motor back together, and it'll be ready to go. And we'll be on to the next project. But yeah, man, this is part 3. She is going back together. Y'all stay tuned, man. I got a bunch more stuff to go. Next, I'm doing a Raptor 350 engine over there. I've already done a lot of stuff to my daughter's bike. It's got neon lights up under, and we actually went riding this weekend. I still got to post video footage of that. My Banshee build is coming up. Man, we got a lot of stuff coming up, dude. So y'all just stay tuned. It's part 3. She's coming back together.